Problems are part of human life. No one can escape from them. Even when you believe you have no problems, you will still be dealing with them. You may not consider them problems, because they may not trouble you, you have become insensitive to them, or you know their solutions inherently, and solve them without even thinking about them. Most of the problems that we face in our daily lives can be solved through intelligent effort by analyzing them and finding the solutions. When complex problems arise, what should you do? What is the best option? When your rational mind fails to deliver a solution, you should probably consult your higher mind and tap into its enormous potential. Here are some useful suggestions and techniques to do it. 1. Connect to the cosmic consciousness. Sit comfortably in a quiet place, think about the problem without letting fear or other emotions disturb you, and ask the universe to help you or guide you. Mentally write down the problem on a piece of paper, put it inside a bubble, and let it fly away into space. See it in your mind gently rising and floating away into the limitless space with the problem glowing inside and fading away. Wait for a solution to manifest. 2. Connect to your higher intelligence. Before you go to bed, visualize that your mind is a huge lake of fresh water. Mentally write down your problem on a piece of paper and wrap it around a marble stone with the engraving "Peace" written in bold letters. Throw the stone with the paper into the lake and gently ask your higher mind for guidance. Watch the ripples created by the stone spreading far and wide in the glistening waters. Wait for a solution to emerge either in a dream or through intuition or by some other means. 3. Connect to your heart center. Sit comfortably in a chair or on a mat. Relax your mind and body with deep breaths. Imagine a ball of golden light glistening in the middle of your chest, where you usually feel the emotions. It is your heart center. Let the light absorb all the worry, dark energy, and negativity created by the problem. Offer the problem to the golden fire in the heart and seek its help. Express your gratitude and wait for your heart to show the solution. Your heart is where your inner deity presides. It is also the center from where all the pranic channels to the various parts in your body travel. The heart is the final departure place in the body, where all the sense organs unite with the soul and leave it at the time of death. Your heart knows solutions to all your problems. You need to let it speak to you by paying attention and controlling your mental noise. In most cases, these 3 approaches should resolve the problem. The solution may come to you in the form of a dream, a sign, a suggestion from someone, a chance meeting, coincidence, or intuition. Sometimes the problem may also resolve itself without any effort on your part. If it does not happen as expected, know that it may be because of your past karmas. Some karmic problems do not go away easily until the karmas that caused them are exhausted fully. Such problems may persist for a long time. When it happens, you have to learn to cultivate tolerance while continuing your spiritual effort. Sometimes you can ease such problems partially by spiritual practices, clearing bad energies, and performing some good karma, such as charity, service, and devotional worship. Problems may also arise to teach us valuable lessons. When problems arise, try to see what you can learn from it and what lessons are hidden in it. Sometimes problems go away if you learn the lessons and make necessary changes to your life or behavior.